Welcome, amazing ladies and gorgeous women, to my new video. In today's video, I am excited to share some fantastic ideas for styling short pixie haircuts. With these tips, you can achieve a glamorous look that you will absolutely love. So let's dive into these ideas and make an impact. As you can see, we have some perfect styling suggestions exclusively for you. Get ready to be captivated by these amazing ideas that will highlight your features. These hairstyles are expertly crafted, showcasing a range of brownish color as well as straight and sleek cuts. Ladies and women, brace yourself for an impressive transformation. For those in search of short hairstyling ideas, you will find inspiration that perfectly complement your preferences and hair shape. Embrace these ideas and you will witness a remarkable change in your overall appearance. Trust me, these ideas are exactly what you have been looking for. Ladies and women, be captivated by the blackish shade that exudes sheer glamour, matched with your unique face shape. These ideas will undoubtedly leave a lasting impression. Get ready to make an impact wherever you may go. Here are some short hairstyling ideas that are sure to catch your eyes. The accuracy of these haircuts is simply remarkable. Tailored perfectly to suit ladies and women. It is time to experience the transformative power of these impactful short hairstyles. Behold the beauty of blackish and goldenish shades. These short pixie haircuts are designed to make you fall in love with your reflection. Ladies, get ready to leave a lasting impression wherever you go. Notice how flawlessly this puff cut is executed. Embrace these ideas and you will discover the true potential of your hair. Pixie haircuts have become a popular choice among women seeking a chic and daring look. With their short and low maintenance nature, pixie haircuts offer a refreshing change. And the ability to make a bold fashion statement. Whether you are a young woman looking to embrace a trendy hairstyle, or an older woman wanting to look elegant and confident, pixie haircut is a versatile option worth considering. Short pixie haircuts are characterized by their cropped length, typically ranging from a few centimeters to a couple of inches. This short length allows for easy styling and provides a distinct charm that sets pixie haircuts apart from longer hairstyles. Not only are they practical and time saving, but they also have the power to transform your entire appearance. Pixie haircuts come in various ranges, styles, and variations, allowing you to find the perfect fit for your face shape and hair texture and personal style. Let's explore some of the most popular pixie haircut styles that have been making waves in the fashion industry. The classic pixie haircuts features short, evenly cropped hair all around. This timeless style adds a touch of sophistication and can be customized to suit different face shape and hair texture. It is a versatile option that works well for women of all ages. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. And until we meet again, may your hair fabulous and continue to shine brightly. Also keep watching my videos. See you soon.